Hi, guys.
Tuesday Newsday.
It's a Tuesday Newsday. It's a Tuesday Newsday. You need to actually learn that song from DJ because I always think of it when we come on.
We're filming this one a little early because when this one airs, I'll be on my honeymoon.
Guys, Katie will be married.
But
a married woman. Isn't that insane?
We still have our colds, so that hasn't
Look, it's actually the gift that keeps on giving.
I know.
Speaking
we just
of
keep
gifts,
getting it back and
Christmas.
forth. It's so perfect. I love it. It's perfect.
Yes.
But we've got lots of fun things to talk about. Still same thing. The Wreath and Repeat is still for sale. So if you haven't seen...
kit, you guys. It's a template builder.
Oh my gosh, yeah. If you haven't seen the At Home with Misty, go check that out. So
okay, but who hasn't seen it? Who hasn't
for real,
seen
right?
that? Misty always does such a good job.
It's so cute.
I always just love watching her videos. She has good ideas. It's just fun.
She's so good. She does so good.
So yeah, if you haven't seen it, you're like in the minority. So go watch.
And then this last Friday, the 17th, Natalie had her tutorial, and that was with the new Missouri Star embroidery panels. So we have 3 that we want to kind of show you. I'm not going to open them all the way because that's a lot. But we've got this one, so cute, Cardinal Cheer. And then this one is the Nutcracker Sweet. So stinking cute.
Okay, wait. So when you're looking...
And Frosty Friend.
Oh, they're so cute.
They're so cute.
So inside this is the wash away fabric panel. So you do the embroidery and then it's on the fabric.
Yes.
Embroidery instructions and project pattern. Okay. Let's
just open
cool.
one.
So
Let's just open Frosty's
You
Friend.
can create 1 wall hanging, 2 pillows, and 1 quilt label.
I'm opening Frosty's Friend because it's so cute.
Fun.
So it has the little book, the template, the whole
that's your patterns, right?
Love it. And then
oh my god,
the cutie panel.
You guys. Okay.
It's a giant panel.
You're gonna have to move on.
Holy moly.
Also, it's Christmas in July, guys, so it's kind of hot out here.
It is a little toasty.
Okay, that is really cute.
I'm struggling.
And so basically this exact you're struggling.
There we go. There we go. I got it.
It's going to be this type of thing in each kit, and this is the snowman one. It is called Frosty Friend, and it's the embroidery panel kit. So it comes with all these things that, like I said, you can make 1 wall hanging, 2 pillows, and a quilt label, which is so fun. And this one, Cardinal Cheer, has the tree, and I mean, look how cute that is. And it has all the little, and it's like little poinsettias. Oh, that is so cute. And the Nutcracker Sweet. I know she already showed you, but look at that. You guys, that's a fun thing. So those are on sale this week.
And the Wreath and Repeat.
Yeah, and the Wreath and Repeat.
I didn't open it last week, but we're gonna open it this week because I want to show you. It's so cute.
The Christmas stuff is so fun because then it just gets you like in the mood to start doing some projects. And you guys, we all know we have to start early because Christmas will be here before we know it. Not that I want to rush the summer, but I'm just saying, if you're going to do some homemade Christmas stuff, you really just have to.
So it's all these cute little templates. So we've got so many. So there's this one.
And that's the Wreath and Repeat
so
kit, right?
all the little pieces, yes. And then...
And Misty shows all of this.
Yes, she shows all of it.
Yeah, in her at-home video.
Got the cute bows. They're so cute. And then we also have... oh my gosh, there's so many in here.
This would take like 20
minutes. The leaves. It's so good, guys. Definitely check that out.
It's really cute. Yeah.
And then also the Enchanted Christmas Embroidery Kit, which I got last year and started it. I never finished it. My goal this year is to finish it. It's so cute. So it's got all of the...
Wait, did you get are you doing it on fabric or are you doing it on the velvet?
I'm doing it on fabric.
Okay.
So I'm doing it on, I go back and forth between the black fabric and then the white fabric. It's so pretty.
It's so
But it has all of the threads that you need. It's got all the templates. It's got your hoop, the scissors, needles. It's got everything you need in the whole kit.
Yeah.
It's adorable. So definitely check that out if you're wanting a new project. I say over and over, I love a project.
The fun thing about embroidery too, and even in the summer with doing it, is like you can do it while you're watching TV or a movie or something. You know, if you're in the house listening to your audiobook, right? So like if you're inside because it's too hot to be outside, just do some embroidery. Like it's fun. And then you're going to have a head start on all your Christmas gifting or your Christmas decorating and all the things you want to make.
And you can really add it to anything. embroidery goes on anything, and it's pretty forgiving. Like, I've done so many where I piece them together, and then I'm like, I don't love how that looks. I just pick it out and start over. Like, it's pretty.
Yeah,
it's pretty
true.
good. I love it.
But, by the time this we post this, Katie will be married. That's exciting. Yay! So we have lots of stuff. Like, our family is crazy. We've got wedding stuff we're trying to get done. We've got all the planning, all the cleaning, all the decorating, all the fun DIY stuff you did.
It's so good.
Yeah, you guys.
So perfect.
Her day's gonna be magical. We just know it, and so we're excited.
We just pray weather holds out.
Because Grandma Jenny's gonna be home.
I know.
And we're so excited. So
I love it. We love you guys so much.
We love you guys, and happy Tuesday Newsday, and thanks so much for joining us. Christmas in July, Missouri Star. We love you.
Love you.
Bye.